Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel once again. And today's the part three for model one, because we have four parts in model one, and it's going to be a very amazing one. Like always, it's always an amazing one. So now, today's model says why trade forex, and first I'm going to talk about the benefits and risks of forex trading. Now, I basically can tell you about the benefits. I can tell you about the risks from experience, not from a gotten knowledge. And I guess there's a reason for today's teaching itself. Maybe you are to learn something from this, and I'm not going to ask you to stay and watch the video. If you believe that this is a reason, this is going to be a good one for you, you can stay back and watch the video. So now the first thing I'm going to talk about is what are the benefits of forex trading. Number one is high liquidity. You need to know that forex is one of the most largest and the most financial markets. Can I say it's one of the most? It's the largest and the most financial market in the world, with over 7 trillion trading on its daily target. Now you should know that this high liquidity, it does a lot of things. It ensures that you buy or sell your cryptocurrency quickly without sufficient price changes, and you're making a good amount of money. And note, I said you can be making a good amount of money or good amount of loss. Now, the next we're going to talk about is a 24/5 market access. Is that forex trading has gotten to the point where it's basically a 24/5, yeah, 245 market access. Why do I say that? Because you basically trade for just 5 days in a week, and markets open for 24 hours. Now, forex market operates in 24 hours, 5 days a week, and it's basically has four sessions, which is the Asian session, the European session. Asian session, it consists of both the Tokyo, the Singapore, and the Hong Kong. Then when you get over the Europe session, you have the London and Frankfurt. Then for American session, you have the New York session. There's also one session I'm forgetting. Okay, yeah, I guess three session, four sessions, I guess. Now, this allows for flexibility of trading schedule, depends on the time you like trading and the time you have mastered trading. For me, in Nigeria time, I've mastered the trading hour of 12 p.m., which is basically, I guess I'm going to convert that and maybe put it on the screen for you to see that. But I'm basically mastered the 12 p.m., which 12 p.m. looking for sweep of liquidity using ICT concept, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and to 3 p.m., which is the last trading hour, 4 hour trading session. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 hour trading session for the New York session. That's basically what I trade. Now for the second, remember this is second. Now the third benefit is low entry cost. You can have as little as a $50 account size, and you can basically trade the forex market as little as $50, as little as $10 at most, at least, which I would advise to starting forex with is $10 is the least you want to start with, but not advisable you do that, because you can easily get liquidated from this market and stopped out very, very easy. The market can do that shit to you, and sorry, I'm not supposed to say such words in the video. Do those kind of things to you, and you are like, this market is coming for you. Yes, the market is going to come for you, because the market know that your account cannot hold the position you are into. You just have to be lucky one time, which I call it Mr. Lucky one time, and you become a forex tutor. Now, you know that number four is leverage opportunity. You're offered leverage even for a very small account size. The fifth benefit is accessibility. The sixth is diverse strategy. You can use any strategy. Traders can profit in even rising and falling condition, and that's good. Not like a one-sided market where it's only when you're buying, buying, buying. That's only when you get profitable. You can both buy and sell, and you're being profitable if you're on the right your predictions and your analysis are right at that specific time, because it doesn't go that it's going to be right every single time. It's rare for it to be right every single time, but sometimes it works out. Even the best of traders get stopped out from a trade, and I believe you know what stopped out from a trade, which is when you get when you lose a trade you are into, that's called stopped out. Now the sixth is diverse strategy, which I just talked about. Now the next you want to talk about is the risks. I can basically tell you about risks because I've done a lot of risks, which is not helping. And it gets to a point where you over risk, and you get account blown and blown and blown. You get yourself getting blown accounts, and people around you like parents, loved ones, who knows how where you work, how you work, and because as a forex trader, you're here for a purpose to make money. That's the very first thing you should know, that you are here to make money. And if you watch this part of the video, you are very lucky to hear this aspect of the video. Is that you watch this, you are here because you want to make a lot of money. And if you are here because you want to make a lot of money, I want to advise you one thing, is that make a lot of money, but it takes time. Please, it takes time. If you try rushing the process, you are going to get whipped out over and over again. Sometimes I get my dad asking me, what do I use my money for? What do I do with my money for? And I have no explanation for it, because what do you want to tell him? I invested my money and I lost it. Even to the extent of uncle, there's a lot of things I cannot say on the video. And I cannot start putting story because you are yet to learn. So don't over risk. That's one thing I'll tell you. Leverage your risks. The number one thing, which is risks of forex trading, leverage risks. Now, because if you use a big amount of leverage, you're going to get your profits magnified, and also your losses will be magnified. What does it mean to be magnified? It's just telling you that it's going to be very big when you see yourself losing, and it's so unfavorable for you. Now, the market, number two, which is market is very volatile, and it can change at any time. You may be seeing sell, and all of a sudden it becomes buy, and just because you don't know what you're doing, and you're here to just click the buy and sell, but it will make money if you are here for that purpose. Oh, I'm sorry, you have to change that mindset, because it's going to do a lot more good, a lot more harm than good, a lot more damage. If you try doing that, it's gonna just rip you off the market over and over again. And you're like, what's happening? Do I not know trading? You may know trading, but if you are here and you don't have consistency in risk, it's gonna get you injured in this market. Another one, over trading. If you over trade, you're gonna get stopped at a lot of the time. Because when the markets you went for buy and the market goes to sell, then you say, I want to gain this market back, I want to get back my money from this market, and you enter another trade, and you like the market stopped you out again, and you're like, I want to get back my money from this market. If you keep doing that, you are trading with emotion, and trading with emotion is one of the most unincredible thing you want to do on this market, because whenever you come in with that mindset, I want to get my money back, the market is going to take more and more and more and more. And once you're profitable once, relax, just rest. Don't trade with emotion and come into the market and you're like, I just made this, I'm the boss of the market, I can do this again, I can make more money, and you don't know what the market is going to do to you. The market is going to take back money that you did not deserve. So if the market gave you money that you did not deserve, it knows that that was a mistake trade, and you know what market is going to do next? It's going to come back for its money and take it back from you. Very simple. And you are like, what did I do wrong this time? No, that money, you didn't deserve it. And when you see stuff like that happen over and over again, and they happen to me, so it's out of experience. I'm saying so some things. Now, another reason why you lose, like I've been saying, number four risk management plan, is that lack of knowledge and strategy. You don't have a strategy. That's why you just, without education, you just come into the market, you want to make a lot of money. And some of us, videos like this tends to get us bored. You are like, I'm tired of watching these videos. I'm tired of watching Forex video. I just want a video that will tell me how to click the button. I want a strategy community that will just tell me when to buy, when to sell, when to close my position. You will never see something like that if you want to have a long-term success in this trade. And I learned these things the hard way. Now, these are ideas that are coming into you for free, little or no cost, just using your data to watch video like this. And they tend to be very difficult for us to do. Yes, they will be difficult at very first, and it's painful for me doing today's video, because I'm teaching risks and I over risk today, which was not a good part. I'm not going to tell you anything about me over risking that. I know I did something and I lost money. I lost a good amount of money, and I am here making video. You know why? Because I made a decision. So a bad decision should not spoil the decision of you and those 5 people that are watching my video. I'm not going to make a bad day not make me create video. If I'm having a bad day, I will create. If I'm having a good day, I will create. And you know, one thing I've learned is that even while you're having a bad day, when everything seems difficult and you are able to still be consistent with what you're doing, you're going to be very successful. And that's one thing I learned the hard way. And I've learned it over, but now it's going to be fresh in my mind because of what happened today. Now, number 5 is counterparty. Choosing unregulated broker that are exposed to trading scam, and you lose your money. You don't know, on counterparty risks where you are trading with people you don't know. So you want to avoid those kind of things. And the aspect of forex versus other financial markets, you will know that there's a lot of things forex beats in this for financial market. Is that forex, I'll just put the notes in the comment section, so do well to get through the comments. I don't want this video to be very long, because talking to you, I'm talking out of should I say good pain, agitation, anxiety, right down, deep down. I know, yes, because if you're watching this video, and I'm going to create much more of these videos coming into you, and I'll be 100% real with you. But I cannot start calling figures in my videos or calling money or tell you showing you a real account on my video. So my account doesn't get banned. It's against YouTube's policy. But I'm right here on YouTube. You can basically join my community to know more about what I do, how I trade, when I tell you to do something. I've seen people I tell to do something, and when they go against it, it goes very bad. Why for myself, I would not tell you something that will make you give me a bad name. That's just the thing, is that I've learned to live my life with the aspects and the level of where with the level where I don't really care what people's going to think about me, because I am not living my life so that others can judge me in the category of people that they want to see. I'm basically living this life to for me to do what I want and when I want it, and that's the reason why I'm trading forex. But I've been in this market and being not profitable because I lack proper risk management. Even while I know risk management, I still lack it. I still lack proper risk management because I am here and I just want to get it big. I just want to get it very, very big. If I calculate all the years I've been in forex trading and I have been investing just $1, by now I'll be a millionaire. But just because I wanted to be a millionaire or be a forex trader that everybody will be like, it's one of the most richest forex trader, I just wanted to do that in months. They'll be like, it did it in months. Nobody cares about the time you make your money. But nobody cares about the time you make your money. Nobody's here in a competition with you for you to make your money. So don't let anybody put you into any pressure. You will learn that the hard way if you don't listen to what I'm saying right here in this video. And I'm going to be copying this video up here because I basically just wanted to talk about why trade forex and what are the benefits and risks of forex trading. And I believe I've touched that. And also, I talked something about forex and other financial markets. What are the investors? I don't need to compare them. I'll just put them in the comment section, and I'll put the notes right there in the comment section. If you don't understand, do well to shout me up or drop a message. Always check the comment section because I drop learning activities for you, something that should help, and I will reply to every comment. I will definitely reply because I'm having just at most 10 people, 5 people, 20 people watching my video. Makes it very easy for me to answer. But I know this community is going to grow to a very large scale. So be among those first set of people that stays with me, please. Do well to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be stopping the video right here, guys. So I'll be creating the next video for part 4 in this module 1. Then I know you're waiting for the aspect of getting to click button. It's not yet that time. You need to get your mind prepared. You need to get the thinking up straight, get everything in line, because you don't want to come into this and you're making a whole lot of mistakes just because you don't know the basic, because nobody has said that. I told myself I'm going to come back into YouTube creating videos. I'm going to do that with 100% of trust, 100% of truth, and 100% of what I know. If I have the knowledge and I don't share it, I will die with the knowledge. But I'm right here teaching because this is a passion, and I'm teaching out of passion and pain, the passion. That's the pains I've faced, the loss I've gotten, and every other thing. And there's one guy on YouTube, on TikTok, that said something that you don't just don't worry, just one win is going to cover all the years of losses. There's even a prayer point I pray to you for those who are listening to the video. If you watch this part of the video, please say amen. So I know you watched the very end of this video. Is that whatever the canker worms and the bad people have taken away from your life, God's going to restore it to you in Jesus' name. Amen. I trust God and I believe you trust Him too. Peace, guys. So till I come your way again, I remain honest through God's time treasury. And we just talked about why trade forex. And on the next video, it will be I guess let me just go check that out and tell you what I'm going to be creating next, so you're aware of what's coming to you. So the best way is to be aware of what's coming next. You can never really tell what's coming next. So the next thing is understanding market hours. That's what we're going to be looking at. Understanding market hours. So peace, guys, and I'll be starting the creation of that video right now because I basically know what I'm going to talk about, understanding market hours. I don't want this video to be very long, so I'll be stopping the video here, guys. So peace out.